Here's a quick tutorial on how to change out your Classico knob. There is an issue where they were pointing in the wrong direction. You're going to need 3 simple tools, just a small roll of tape, an Allen wrench, and a rubber mallet. You're going to place the knob onto the tape roll. This will help give you some room to tap out the fixture. Once you remove the knob or the little handle from the knob, you're going to use the Allen wrench. You'll insert into the center opening and you're going to tap down with the rubber mallet. This should pop out that insert very easily.
Offsetting?
You're going to line it up to the offsetting.
The flat part.
Put with the flat part down. Once it's lined up into the offsetting, you're going to push it in. You'll add the washer back and then attach the knob. If you screw the end, that will tighten it onto the knob. Now you have your correct knob in the right position.